Ko nore mātana hau, he uri no mitimuti no te hokianga nui a kupe. Ngā wāhi hi ōku mai te wā o taku ohinga. He nui ōku pūkenga hi kei taku kete. Engari, ko te mātauranga nui ia, ko ngā wahanga o te marama me ngā tohu o te moana. Ko ia tēnei, ko te mahi hi ika e ai ki te maramataka. He mea whai ngā mātauranga tuku iho a ngā tūpuna, e hia mano tau ki muri, ā ka tūnoa mai ki tēnei rā. He tohu mai kia mātou, ko hia hi ai, ko hia ai te mātaitai. Tēnā koe tangaro. Nō reira, tēnei te hiki tapu ai. He toha mātauranga, he whakamātau pūkenga, ka puta, ka ora. Whakapiri mai. Me oku hoa ki te hi, he haerere moana. I runga i a Moontide Fishing. E whai ake nei, ko te Mai Morning Crew kei roto i te whare.
Kia ora, mate.
Te brother. A, he kohinga kai te whainga. Ko Tegan te tuatahi ki te hopu ika.
Hey, I got two!
Yeah.
How good?
Whai muri iho, ko Fame.
All right, bro. Now we're getting kai.
We're eating tonight, Dad. We're eating tonight. Cancel that fish and chip order.
Maurimutu rises 2 days before whiro, the new moon. It's a time of declining energy, but usually a good day for fishing. Tēnā rā koutou e te whānau, nau mai anō ki Moontide Fishing, te mahi hika e ai ki te maramataka. Ka kōwhiti mai a Maurimutu i te ata pōnei, ā he rāpai tēnei mo te hiika. E te whānau, kua tatū mai a hau ki konei ki Tāmaki Makaurau, Tāmaki herenga waka, herenga tangata, kei konei a hau kei te taha moana o te waite mata. Whānau, heading out on a kai gathering mission with the My Morning Crew, Fame, Tegan and Storm. It's a beautiful day in this maramataka phase of Maurimutu. Just about to get on our boat, ultimate charters with our awesome skipper Mike. It's gonna be a great day. Nō reire te whānau, ko rite mātou ki te hi.
Come on, fellas. Want to introduce you to my mate. Kia ora, mate.
Cheers, brother.
Again, eh?
Again.
Kia ora. Lovely to meet you.
You too.
Oh, you believe it up, cuz? The last time was
Cheers,
on the
my
rocks,
brother.
bro.
We're on again.
Be on the nuts.
O te whānau, kua tai mai oku hoa hi te rānei, no te reo irirangi o Mai FM, the My Morning Crew. We got the bro Fame, producer T Money, Troy, or T Pūtea, the bro Storm, who I've already been out with. We got his first warahinga, and also our tuahine, Tegan, mihi ana ki a koutou i te rānei. So I'm pretty excited. We're heading out on the maramataka phase of Maurimutu. We're 2 days before whiro. Start getting stronger currents, hopefully a bit of fish activity. And what do you want to achieve today?
Catch some fish, cuz. Catch some fish. Inflation rates are too high, cuz. I need some food for my fridge.
Are we picky? Are we not fast?
Anything, bro. Anything.
As long as it's big enough.
And no sharks for me, please, bro.
No sharks this
more
time.
sharks. Not this time. What you mate?
Kahawaii would be awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, and of course, Tegan, I understand you've had a little bit of fishing experience in the past.
Okay, so I used to live in Tonga and we used to fish like every weekend without fail, but since then I haven't really fished. So I don't know if it's going to be like muscle memory or if I'm just going to be caping out the whole day. We'll see. We'll see.
There, have you caught warahinga before, kingfish?
Never, cuz. Never. Still waiting for the fillets from this fella, bro. He's greedy.
Oh, true.
Yeah. Talking about his filet of fish every day.
All right. Hey, let's not put pressure on ourselves. Our main objective is to get kai to take home for our whānau.
That's it.
And if we get a few first, like you've never caught a warahinga, kingfish either?
Never.
No? Snapper though, tamari?
No, I haven't. I've only caught tuna and mahi-mahi, so we'll see.
Okay, so in amongst getting our kai whānau, we will have a few goals. We'll get Tegan on her first tamari. We'll try and get everyone on a warahinga if we can. But we'll just see what Tangaro's willing to give us. So,
Let's go.
ko tātou tēnā te whānau, kia mautonu mai. Ka haere whakateraki ki te wāhi hi kōheru. Ka tahi anō aku hoa no te My Morning Crew, ka mutu i tā rātou mahi pāpāho mo te ata, nā reira, kua āhua tōmuri tō mātou putanga atu. E whakatata ana ki te tai pakua, ahakoa ko pahure te wā tino pai o te ata mo te mahi hi tāmure, hi warehenga anō hoki, e whakapono ana hau mā ngā tohu o Maurimutu, ka kaha ake te ngau a ngā ika hei te ahi nei. Ai te whānau, kua tai mai ki tēnei te wāhi tuatahi e hi ana mātou mō ngā koheru. Ko te koheru, he maunu ora mo te warehenga, mō ngā tāmure anō hoki, so we're just pulling up and our mission right here is to get us on some liveys. So
Okay. I've never caught live bait before, so we're just dropping it in?
you're dropping it in, and what we're targeting is yellow-tailed jack mackerel.
Yeah.
Where I come from, we call them koheru, but not to be confused with another species also referred to as koheru. Koheru is a general term for types of mackerel, but
Yeah.
we're getting koheru, just drop it to the bottom, just
Okay.
slowly wind, you'll feel the bites and you'll be on. So, ko tātou tēnā, e te whānau.
All right, let's do it.
Try that, Tegan. Yeah.
Oh, wait. That didn't take very long. That feels like a pretty foolproof method there. Hey, I got two!
Yeah.
How good! I got three! Oh, what a show off!
It's not a whakataito, but it is a whakataito. So Mike will just take them all off.
Okay.
He tino pai te kōheru, hei maunu ora, maunu mate rānei. Mā te kōheru, me ngā momo maunu mētara, maunu kirihau hoki, e kore ka hore ka tae ngā ika te hopu. Haere pai ana ngā mahi mō tēnei wā, we're catching plenty of liveys. Our kōheru are going in the live bait tank. They'll stay alive, stay fresh, so when we get out to our next spot, whether it be targeting tāmure or warehenga, we can use the liveys for both, but more specifically, we're likely to use these when we target our warehenga, our kingfish, our haku. So it's a beautiful day here. Can't wait to see our whānau getting onto some tāmure, getting onto some warehenga and just getting whatever Tangaroa will give us. You on again, Storm? Ka whai wāhi hoki ki ngā kōrero whakatoi.
Oh, no, because I stole Tegan's
Oh,
line.
that's why you stole my fish.
Sabotaging.
Oh, Chevro.
Tāmure on. Snapper.
Check this out, whānau. This is not the target species at the moment, but we have a little, what we call karati, which is a juvenile snapper, juvenile tāmure. Karati is what we call them up north. I'm not too sure if that's a wide known term all around the motu, but certainly we grew up knowing these smaller snapper as karati. So this little karati will certainly go back. First fish back to Tangaroa, you reckon?
Fair enough, guys. That's us.
There you go, little fella.
Ka kite.
Oh, I got a double!
Uish. Ko tata ki te taikai ngā maunu ora, ngā kōheru nei, nā reira ko te whakataua te kai urungi, ka hiki ngā aho nei, ka tahi kawi. So this is the last drop, last live to come up and we're off.
I knew I was caught. How annoying. Here's me thinking I caught a mean one, but it was just tangled with his too.
E te whānau, our live bait tank is full. We got plenty to take out to go and target warehenga, tāmure, and just really enjoy this day of gathering kai. He whai a tēnei, he whakataitai kei te haere.
Embarrassing thing is, hate to be the one to catch the fish before those fellas at the back with the lines, you know?
Meinga, mēara ake.
Surely that's big enough. Yes!
Maurimutu rises 2 days before whiro, the new moon. It's a time of declining energy, but usually a good day for fishing. He tīmatanga pai mo te Mai Morning Crew, he maha ngā kōheru kua hopu i a rātou.
Oh, I got a double!
Uish, e pari mai ana te tai i ae nei, ko te tumanako ia ka kitea te ngau a ngā ika. E te whānau, kua tai mai ki tēnei wāhi, ko te mahi konei, ko te tuku maunu ora, hei maunu, hei kai mo te warehenga. So, Teagues, we're here, our main target now is the warehenga, or haku, or kingfish. And what we're going to do is basically we're live baiting, so those jack macs, those kōheru we caught earlier, we're going to put them on the hook, we're going to send them down. Our skipper's going to tell us how many colours to drop. So on our reel, we've got different colours of line.
Yeah.
So you'll say drop, just hold your thumb on, let it go down as many colours as he tells you. So 2 colours is 20 metres. That's how far down we'll drop our baits.
Okay.
And then the warahenga will come through. They'll basically eat the thing whole. We've got little circle hooks, so that'll help hook it in the mouth.
Yeah.
And what we want to do is, I'll help you through it when you do get a bite, but there's always an urge to strike when you feel a fish.
Yeah.
So you're going to do the exact opposite. You're just going to basically let it pick up the fish, start running with it. You know, maybe count 5 seconds. I'll give you the cue, and then you're just going to put the drag up. This
Yeah.
is the drag. Just going to push that up.
Yeah.
That's going to bring the tension on the line. Basically help roll the hook into the mouth.
Yeah.
And then just slowly lift your rod and start winding.
Yeah.
Up and down, you know,
Okay.
wind up,
Yeah.
reel down, pull up, wind down, until you get your kingy to the boat, your warahenga. So that's us whānau. We're going to get straight into it. The crew's ready. We're on. He pai ngā tohu warahenga I konei, ā ka tukuna ngā kohiru ki roto I te wai. Ia Fame, rāwa ko Tegan, e whakarite ana ki te whakamau.
Now we wait, I guess.
Now we wait. Now we wait. Could happen at any moment. Ko tīmata ngā mahi, ko tukua ngā maunu ora I āneina me tāria te tainga mai o te warahenga. Engari, ko te wahanga o te tai I tēnei wā, ko te tai pakoa e huri mai ana, ka haere roa, ka pari mai te tai. We're in this phase of Maurimutu. We're 2 days before the rise of Whiro. And of course, Whiro being our new moon will start the cycle of the maramataka again. And as I'm talking, we're getting bites. Just hold, don't do anything. Just don't do anything. Just wait till you hear it or feel it pulling line. They could just take your bait off, but that's okay. Just wind up. Oh, Tegan, you got a bite.
I know, but he took my bait.
Oh, I think it's time to put on something a little bit more bright and shiny. This is a little slimy mac. So amongst the jack macs, we've got this little slimy mac. So this is going to go down. Hopefully get your first warahenga on this.
Fingers crossed.
Let's give it a go.
All right.
And we're going to go down to 3 colours.
Obviously, it's got a little bit quiet out there at the back. I think the mana's running a little bit low, and the skipper's let us jump on the old the casting rod. And all we're gonna do is chuck this bad boy out, and hopefully that was a better one. And then now, just want to tighten up the slack there, and we're gonna try and emulate a fish on the top. Just let it run. Hopefully the king, he sees it. He goes, "What's that?" Gets a little bit closer. That looks like a bit of morsel I can tuck it down into, and then hopefully bites it. The embarrassing thing is, hate to be the one to catch the fish before those fellas at the back with the lines, you know.
Engari, ka horea ia I whaihua. Ko Fame te tuatahi ki te hopu ika I konei.
Go Fame!
Oi, little tāmure. Oh, brother.
Tāmere,
Tāmure.
Me!
you little pan throw.
So these are quite small tāmure. They're sort of borderline karati. That's probably legal, but one we'd probably let go.
Get back here.
And then we'll just see how the day goes. If we're struggling, we might start keeping something like this. But
Yeah,
again, they are good eating. But first time we may as well give it back to Tangaro, eh, brother?
that's us, bro. That's us.
Too good. The fish are on the bite whānau, so we're happy with that. Kua tai mai ngā tāmure, engari, ka hore anō ngā warahenga, kia kai ngā maunu.
They had any nibbles yet?
Nā reira, ka arotahi mātou ki te hiake i ngā tāmure. Could this be the legal one we're after, brother?
Here we go.
Wait.
Here we go. Hey! Titiro mai te whānau. The bro Fame's caught a tāmure. This one will probably be pushing legal, but we're going to let it go in the hope for some bigger ones. We're starting to get a few bites now, which is positive signs. The tide's moving a little bit more. Tatana ki te wā o te tai whanake. So we're getting closer to that sort of half tide in.
Yeah.
Current's moving. Fish are on the bite, so let's just try and get the big ones, get this one back in the water.
Yeah.
Me, brother. Just like that. Ka eke tonu ngā tāmure ki te poti. Oh, T-Money's on. I think he might be too small to keep, so...
I think he is, yeah.
Yeah, can't find.
Here you go, brother. See you later.
Starting to heat up. Tegan's got a fish on. Here's hoping it's her tāmure that's going to be big enough to keep throwing the bin. Take her for the whānau. The feeling okay?
Yeah, it's feeling all good.
Yeah, nice.
Surely that's big enough.
Hard.
Yes!
Whānau, Tegan's finally got her first tāmure that we can put in the bin, take home for kai after those smaller ones we're biting. Mean.
Man, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. How good!
So you were on the show this morning, on your own show,
Yeah.
My Morning Crew, talking about what you wanted to achieve today, and that was you wanted to catch a snapper.
I said I'd be happy if I went home with a snapper. I'd be super happy. I'm
Well,
definitely happy with that.
Whānau, we're here in this phase of Maurimutu. It's been a little bit of a slow start, but it's starting to heat up, a little bit more action. Tegan's finally hooked up. Now all we need is for the brothers to start pulling them in. I've got no doubt we're going to go home with a good kai by the end of the day. So, e mihi ana kia tangaro. Mean, well done, sis.
Man, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Ah.
Woohoo!
Nice, first one in. E hara tēnei te mutunga I te hopu tonu a Fame, rāua ko Tegan I ngā ika. Yep, strike. Yeah, you're on, you're on.
Yeah.
Oi, getting a little bit bigger, brother.
Hopefully, slowly and surely. Hopefully by the 10th one should be big enough.
Yeah. I reckon. Hey.
Too little.
He mea nonohi tēnei te whānau, he karati. But hey, that's all right. You got that time with us, so we can afford to let a couple go. Aha koa te tini karati, ko te tūmanako ia, ko reire etahi tāmure I roto e ngā rāngai. Oh, that's not a bad fish, Tegan.
I hope so. Yay! Can we keep him?
Yes, that's definitely a keeper. All right, bro. Now we're getting kai.
We're eating tonight, Dad. We're eating tonight. Cancel that fish and chip water.
Well, whānau, Tegan got her nice tāmure in, and then Fame finally got his in. These are beautiful eating fish. They're well over legal. They're going in the bin. Bro, you're finally on the board with something we can keep. Feeling all right about it?
Oh, I'm still looking at hers. Hers is way bigger. We'll take her.
That's kai. That's the main thing. We're getting kai, and there's no doubt plenty more to come. So, whānau, we're just going to keep going, get a bit of kai to take home to our whānau, or to your whānau, back on land. Mean.
Thank you, Tangaro.
All right. E whai ake nei, ka angi tū haere a Tegan. Yes. A ka waimari e hoki a Fame. Here we go. Maurimutu rises 2 days before whiro, the new moon. It's a time of declining energy and usually a good day for fishing, especially in the early morning and the late afternoon. Ko te rima karaka I te ahi ai te wā I ānei, a e tata ana ki te wā tino pai mo te hi ika. Here we go, bro.
Let's go.
Bring it back, and yeah.
Holy heck, that's tired.
Brother.
No. If I had that in the motor, I would have jumped in the water.
I know the tāmure are starting to get bigger. This is Fame's second one that he can throw in the bin. Tegan's on again over
Let's go,
here.
Tegs.
Let's all go, whānau. Let's get this in the bin and get back into the action. Yeah, boy. I'll tell you what, Tegan's on fire today. That's feeling way bigger. Yeah, just keep it like that. Just keep it like that. You're all right. Now, just be careful on if you possibly hooked up on the others, but no, keep going. You're all right. I'll net it for you. It's a good kahawai too. Oh, we've got a few lines as well. Oh, wait. Yes. Yeah. There you go. Check it out, partner. Someone's hammering the timer there. Now on to good kahawai.
It was pretty angry this time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good thing about kahawai is they fight really good for their size, and that's a big kahawai, so it's not small. So beautiful fish.
Right.
Everyone's catching fish now, whānau, so our plan is, it's coming to fruition. We're getting kai to take home. Well, let's get that in the bin so you can get back in the water. Yeah, mean sis, that's us.
I think I got the good luck.
E pauhaere ana te wā, nā reira, ka hoki anō mātou ki te tauranga warehenga me te hiahia ka hopu I tētahi, I mua I te tōringitanga o te rā. Well, whānau, we just stopped This is our last spot of the day. This is where we started our day. We had no luck on the warahinga this morning, so we went everywhere. We got a few taumere. It's been cool. We've been filling up our bin with kai, but we're back here for one last shot at a warahinga. There's been no warahinga on the boat so far, so let's see how we go. Drop that down 3 colours and hopefully we'll hook up. Fame, you're up on that side, brother. That's us. Yes, Fame. Fame's on. You on, brother? Yes, bro. Yes, yes. Oh, yeah. Yep. Slow him down. Slow him down. Yep. Stop there. Stop there. Stop there. Bring him towards me. Yes. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Hey, tituru mai ki tēnei te whānau, he warahinga. The bro got his first warahinga.
Thank you,
Now, whānau, obviously, you can see it's not quite big enough to be able to take home. It's it's got to be 75. But it's been a little bit of a hard day, slow going. We've been catching kai, that's what we come out here to do. But, hey, we wanted to get a warahinga. We got a warahinga, so, you know, sometimes you get what you want. And we got the snapper, we got the taumere. Tegan got her first, that's what she wanted. You got your taumere, it's not your first, but you got a good taumere. Everyone was catching fish today, so hey, we got to be happy with that, eh?
Happy days.
Oh well, me whakahokia tēnei te warahinga a Fame, kia tangaroa. Tēnā koe.
Tēnā koe.
Here's our way, whānau. Too good. Mā rawa ake, ko tai anō te wā kia Tegan. Let's go, Tegan. Yes. Warahinga time, whānau. Yes. Do you need a gimbal? Or you're right, just keep going, keep going. Yeah. Yeah, that's all right. Yeah, you got it, you got it. No, you're all right, you're right. You're going under the boat, going under the boat. Just keep your line away. Yep, yeah, that's the one. Yeah, that's the one. Sweet. Keep it up, keep it up. Yes, yes.
Yeah, let's go.
I might need the gimbal.
Yep, just turn your rod. Yep, keep going. You only got another 10 metres or so to go. There was one under here, eh? No, it's not there anymore. Yep. Okay, we're going to get this gimbal around you.
Yep.
And have to take this off.
You got it, you got it, Teeks.
Yep. Now it doesn't have the lock feature, so you just got to hold it. Yep. All right, Tegan. Let's go. Let's go.
Come on!
Oh, still there?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, all right. Yes, let's go. Let's go.
Now the field in here.
Oi, it's the bloody strongest one I've had today. Here we go, here we go.
It's all right, all right.
Is it gone?
No, he's under the boat. He's under the boat.
Boo.
Yeah, keep going. Keep winding,
No,
keep winding.
That's as far as I can go.
Oh. No, keep going. Wind down. Yeah.
Holy.
Yeah, now hold there, hold there, hold there. Bring it towards me. Bring it towards me. Is he hooked? Is he hooked? Ah, yeah. Pass me the net. Net. See, bring him towards the net. Yeah. Now you're going to try and lead him into me. Might be able to just lift him in, actually. Is he well hooked? Oh, no, he's only just lip hooked, eh? Try and get him in.
The sun coming down too. Holy.
We got it. Ah.
Holy heck, he was so strong.
Oh. Oh, te whānau. It's been a reasonably tough day on this Maurimutu moon phase, usually pretty productive, and it was productive. We got plenty of kai to take home, but you know, we wanted to try and get some bigger warahinga. That didn't quite happen. The bro Fame finally hooked the warahinga, and of course, it was pretty much time to go home. Then we realised there was one more livey left in the tank, sent it down, got smashed. Tegan got her first warahinga.
Yes.
How you feeling?
I'm so stoked. This was so tough to pull up, even though she's actually kind of small, but no, I'm so glad I got one.
So whānau, again to the My Morning Crew, e oku whanaunga, mean day out. It's been a privilege having you out here. Hope you enjoyed it. You get to take some kai home, and then we might get to do this again another time and get you on those bigger ones. But for today, objective achieved. Your tāmure, you got a nice tāmure. We've got plenty kai to take home.
Me.
Nō reira te whānau, kau e ware me hoki mai anō koutou ki Moontide Fishing, te mahi hiika, e ai ki te maramataka. Whānau, don't forget to like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.